Hi Mathlings, this is MacKenzie. Right now I'm going to be doing homework 1.8, question number 4. For this one, it is a product rule. Now product rule is y equals f of x times g of x. Now in this instance, when you take the derivative of this, you have y prime equals f prime times g plus f times g prime, okay? So right now we have y equals x squared sine of x plus 2x times cosine of x. This is two separate, well, how would you explain it? Two separate functions?
Just be like, we'll treat these as two separate functions within a function.
We'll treat these as two separate functions because of this plus right here. This plus makes it to where they're two separate things. So, right now we'll be taking the derivative of this first thing. We're taking the derivative of this first thing. So we have y prime equals, remember the 2 comes down because x squared is considered f of x in this instance. So you have 2x because the coefficient brings down and you get 2x times sine of x being g of x. And then you take the derivative of the second one, leaving the first one by itself. So you have plus x squared times the derivative of sine of x, which is cosine of x. And then we move on to this second thing, in which we have 2x cosine of x right here. 2x is basically to the power of 1, so the 1 comes down and you get left with 2, because 2 times 1 is 2, times cosine of x. And then you add the second part of the derivative, in which 2x is multiplying by the derivative of cosine of x. So you have 2x times the derivative of cosine is negative sine of x. After you get the two things all derivative out, not proper term, sorry. Once you take the derivative of both things, you simplify. So you have y prime equals 2x sine of x plus x squared cosine of x plus 2 cosine of x minus, from the minus right here, 2x sine of x. Now something that you can notice here is we have positive 2x sine of x and a negative 2x sine of x. Those two will go away because 2x sine of x minus 2x sine of x is equal to 0. And then you have y prime equals x squared cosine of x plus 2 cosine of x. And that there, Mathlings, is your derivative.